Hello and welcome to Unmatched Value. In today's video we have 7 of the coolest gadgets that are useful and worth buying. All of these are available now and can be purchased on Amazon and AliExpress. From a laser tape measure to an earwax removal tool, this video has all the cool stuff you want and more. There are even gadgets under $50 for those of you on a budget. Links to all the products will be down in the description below. So without further ado, let's get started. First up on our list is the smart helmet. Whatever your ride of choice, it's always important to be seen. Now you could just stick a couple flashlights onto your helmet, but that wouldn't be cool. That's why this helmet exists. It integrates 2 lights into a cool looking package. You get 1000 lumens of front and rear lighting that's visible at eye level from 360 degrees. You also get a little remote that allows you to signal which way you're turning, but probably the most important feature is the automatic brake light that comes on when you are stopping. They claim this helmet's battery life will last you up to 10 hours. Also, naturally this comes with an app, so you can feature your own personal style by customizing symbols, patterns, and messages on the rear matrix display. Up next we have the Lever Gear BitVault. This is a nifty little gadget that you can carry around on your keychain. This has multiple uses, but to sum it up, it's a waterproof capsule that also doubles as a screwdriver. It can hold up to 6 hex bits, but only 2 come included with it, a Phillips and a flathead. This gadget would be especially useful to cyclists. The part I like best is there are 2 ways to insert the hex bit, so you can use it like a regular screwdriver or a torque wrench if you need more leverage. So all in all, it's a very useful gadget to have on you, especially if you like keeping an emergency supply of cash on hand. The next product on our list is interesting, but I was hesitant to include it, because it has been out for some time, but in the end I decided to include it just in case there's someone out there who has never heard of this but desperately needs it in their life. As you can see, these are shoelaces that basically replace your regular shoelaces. The company claims once you put these on, you'll never have to tie your shoes again. The reviews are a little mixed, but mostly positive. The majority of the negative feedback seems to focus on them being too tight, but I don't think people realize you have to attach them in different patterns to get your preferred level of tightness. Overall, I think it's a cool product and it earned its spot on this list. Tape measures are great and all, but they have their limits. They are uncomfortable to use in many situations. That's why this product exists. This is a laser measure. It has the ability to measure up to 196 feet with the accuracy of 1/16 inch or 1.57 millimeter. It also includes multiple measuring modes like distance, volume, and continuous measurement. When you combine that with automatic calculation of area, volume, and the ability to store 30 groups of data in its memory, this is definitely a gadget everyone should have in their toolbox. So for this next item, I must say I love the name. It's called KATCHY. It's an indoor insect and flying bug trap. So basically this device attracts bugs with a pretty light, sucks them through a turbine, and gets them stuck on a glue pad where they live out the remainder of their short lives. This may seem a bit harsh, but if you live in an area where mosquitoes are a constant menace and are unfortunate enough to have that sweet type O blood mosquitoes seem unable to get enough of, you will probably be upset that there's not a camera inside so you can witness their deaths. A couple of things to keep in mind with this product. It is designed to kill mosquitoes, fruit flies, moths, and gnats, not house flies. And it does its best work at night when everything around it is dark. So if you're one of those people that loves watching pimple popping videos, I'm about to introduce you to another addiction. This is the B-Bird earwax removal tool. And it comes with a full HD camera equipped with a 3-axis gyroscope. It can provide stable and smooth image transmission even when rotating, and maintain a stable video orientation so you can see everything that's going on in your ear as you clean it. This Wi-Fi digital ear camera comes with an IP67 waterproof grade, is easy to clean with water or wipe with alcohol. It has a built-in rechargeable battery. If used once a week at 10 minutes per usage, it can last 30 days on a full charge. The last gadget on our list is this electronic digital timer. This is a useful gadget in many ways. TickTime has 6 preset timings. Just flip TickTime so the time you want to count down is facing up. The timer will start automatically. This can be useful for working, workouts, games, and cooking. The design also looks unique and cool. It's made with an electroplated alloy and has a magnet on the bottom for added convenience. Well, that's all for today. Hope you found something that interested you. Let us know which gadget you found the coolest in the comments below, and consider subscribing so you can join us next time. Thank you for watching and have a great day.